Hello everyone, let's today solve the question binary right side view, which is a 199 of the Leetcode. So the question says that given the root of a binary tree, imagine yourself standing on the right side of it. Written the values of the nodes you can see ordered from top to bottom. So visually we can easily see that what this question is trying to say. If we were to flip the graph uh, 90 degrees, then what are the nodes that we are going to see that we want to print? For example, here suppose the ray or beam of light is approaching a graph, so what are the nodes that it will be hitting? It's just as that. Now there is a very interesting approach to this question, and I think my approach would be to do the level order traversal and just print the last element of the level. It's as simple as that. For example, here this level 1 printed, it's the only and the last element. In the level 2 we have 2 and 3. What is the last element of the this level 3? Similarly, in this level we have last and only element is 4. Similarly for 5. So I believe this is a very interesting and correct approach for this question, although I have to find more approaches to it. But for this video I will be giving the solution for the level order. So we start our level order solution with a vector answer, which is going to actually contain our right side view, and I'll make my q u e e integer q. Okay, and I'll put my node in the queue. So q dot push the root, that is root, and okay, so I am missing one thing. What is the validating? Without this we are going to get error. So we have to conditional validate it. So if root is equals to null, then we are just gonna return answer. Yeah, now I think we are ready for going inside the queue, and I am making a interesting mistake here. It should not be int, it should actually be true node of star. Yeah, now let's go inside the loop. While q is not empty, while q is not empty, I will first of all make the size of the queue. What is the current size? So, and what should I name it? And is equal to q dot size, and I'll also save the variable that is actually going to be the rightmost value of our tree, and I'm gonna name it node tree node star node is equals to null. Okay, so let's start with the for loop that is going to the each and every elements in the inside the queue. For int I is equals to 0, I less than n, I plus 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 node is equals to q dot front. So this is actually going to save the values of our node currently, and at the end we will have our rightmost element as our node. So at the end of the loop we will have our rightmost element, so node q dot front, and we'll just gonna pop it for others to iterate through it. If node left is not as equals to null, then I'm just gonna return, oh no, sorry, we have to push. I'm gonna push, sorry, q dot push node left. I'm gonna do similarly for the right as well. I'm just gonna copy paste it, RIGST, and same here, RIGST. Now I think when the loop continues, at the end of the loop we will have our rightmost element at the end. So I'm just gonna push it to our answer dot push back node value, and I'm just gonna return answer. So let's see if it works. Okay, so we are getting node of left is not equals to null. So did we make any mistake here? So member action with a null pointer tree node. Okay, we are making mistake here, something related to node. Okay, it is initially null. So what should I keep? What if I do this? Then will it work? Okay, it's not working at all. Okay, so I was able to find the mistake. It was actually here. I was supposed to use comparison here instead of just equaling it. I think this will work. Yeah, it worked. Let's submit it to see. I think it should pass all the classification. Okay, it passed. So yeah, thank you everyone. See you next time.